Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account used for Classroom because the display name comes from your Google profile. Once signed in, open Classroom. Google.com or the mobile app and go to the main menu. Make sure you have permission to change your profile. If you're on a managed school account, you may need admin approval. Now navigate to your profile avatar in the top right and click it to open account settings. This is the first actionable step toward changing your name. Once in account settings, choose Personal Info because Classroom pulls the display name from there. Click Name, then type your new first and last name. Use the space thoughtfully for display and sorting. After entering the new name, click Save. Changes often sync quickly, but sometimes take a few minutes. If you're on mobile, follow the same path inside the Google app or browser. Make sure to refresh Classroom after saving so the updated name appears in class rosters. Finally, confirm the update by refreshing Classroom and checking your profile card or the class roster where your name appears. If the change doesn't show, sign out and sign back in, or clear browser cache and reload. Sometimes propagation delays cause a short wait. If edits are blocked, contact your school or workspace admin because managed accounts often restrict name changes. Troubleshoot by trying a different browser or device. Once resolved, your new name will display consistently across Classroom and other Google services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.